Facebook. You know what it is, time for another review. Man, I'm just doing these videos whenever I can, so that explains why the backdrop is always different. So yeah, but today we're gonna talk about this Wichita Cypher Volume 5. Gotta say, one of the better ones. But my one thing that I do gotta say about it, it's not a cypher no more. It doesn't feel like a cypher. It just feels like a big intro to rappers in Wichita. It feels like a music video. This one felt like a music video. I don't like the camera work, but it felt like a music video. Okay, let's talk about this first set. Corbin. Corbin, hands down, one of the best out of the cypher. Straight off the bat. I like his flow. I like how he went in. I like his analogies. Analogies were good, funny, similes, all that type of stuff. He's just a good rapper. I would really like to check out a mixtape from him. That's simple as that. Next up is Fetty. Fetty's flow is nice. I like his flow. But what he was saying felt real predictable and didn't feel that good to me. So with him rapping, I really just was kind of zoned off at the time, but his flow kept me in there. But what he was saying, I wasn't that interested in, so it just wasn't there for me. Next up was GT. GT, man, this is the first time I've ever heard of him. I like his flow. It reminds me of I want to say, I think it's Busy Bone off of Bone Thugs-n-Harmony. It reminds me of that type of flow. And I like how he does. He can rap. Now for lyric wise and stuff like that, I would need more from him, just like I would need more from Fetty, and see how they actually continue rapping and stuff like that. I need more lyrics, like listen to the lyrics, because just from the cypher, it's been kind of iffy. Next up, Domino. Domino really reminds me of Beat King. Looks like him, raps like him. Well, doesn't rap like him. Sounds like him, but doesn't rap like him. Actually raps better than Beat King and me. I mean, Beat King can freestyle, but Domino and Corbin, best two out of set one. That's all I gotta say. Them two right there put in a lot of work when they went in, so they had to make sure that was her. Also, Toto, I just wasn't a fan of Toto. First off, his name, I'm just not a fan of a person who gets their name from the Wizard of Oz. I'm just not a fan of that. He cool, but I'm not too interested in what he has to say or what is next from him. I mean, some people will be because of his style and stuff like that, but besides me, on the other hand, nah, I'm not really too big on what he has to say. Let's talk about set 2 now. Set 2 came out strong. It was only 3 people, but came out strong. Damien, 14-year-old kid, came out rapping hard. He got a little work to do with, lyrics and, pacing and stuff like that, but at the same time, he has potential to be something good. I like his ability to switch the flow of it. Just a quick of a dime, man. He just able to switch that flow from being slow to switching it up fast and stuff like that. So we're gonna see where that actually takes him later on. Next up, J Miz. Hands down, best one out of the cypher. And you can tell he's a storyteller. He right there, just by here listening to a cypher, I know he's a storyteller like Slick Rick and stuff. He's a storyteller, so I really want to check out more from him. So if anybody knows his mixtapes or knows how to get in touch with with his music, let me know, because I really want to listen to it. And now, last but not least, out of set 2, Black Suede or Swad, I don't know. I just know he looks like T-Pain, and that's the truth. But at the same time, Bro can rap. Like seriously, Bro can really rap, and I like what he does, stuff like that. So really, I like the sets out of the set so far, and I gotta say set 2 was harder. I gotta say set 2 was probably one of the best sets out of it and whatnot. Just J Miz and Black Suede, Swad, whatever you say. Him right there is just them two. Pretty much they wrecked shop. They came in with a vengeance. Like they had something to prove, and they proved it. So I'm willing to check out what they got to do. So holla at your boy. If you know music, give me more. Ha.